Yes. Setting new records.
This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were broadcast from this specific area message.
Oh my God, we should think about it.
During dangerous weather events, known weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Oh my God, we just got another one.
Here is the latest national weather.